This is Russ Andersson, and I wanted to show some of the capabilities in the SynthEyes 2008 user interface. To start off with, each of the view panes here has a little widget in the corner that lets you switch back and forth between bringing that view pane to be the full viewport area or not. On the left-hand side above each of them, there's a selector that lets you go and change which one is being displayed in that little pane. And when you do that, your overall viewport configuration changes to be a custom slot. So you have a single custom slot available. I could switch back to the quad and get that original configuration or back to the custom. But of course you have many different options as well. And I could go and change any of these around however I like. And again, I have this single custom slot and I can switch back and forth however I want. So that's a handy little way to set up a way to see whatever it is that you need to see to do whatever particular task you're working on at any particular point in time. Now, in earlier versions, you could float a single control panel and be able to take a look at it and move that around. However, in 2008, you can go and say that you'd like to float multiple panels, and that floats the playbar also. So now I can go and bring these things up. And one thing you'll notice is that depending on which of the control panels is active, sort of what's displayed and the viewports and what some of the mouse modes are, can change. And the active panel is indicated by the 3 stars after the name. And also, if you look up on the top bar here, you'll see that the active one is in yellow and the other ones are in blue. So this gives you a nice and flexible way to rearrange things. It gives you more like a Photoshop style palette if you like. You can also go and shut them down completely and start turning things off and now get to a more minimal view that's more suited for a RAM playback sort of use. One other capability you have here is to take advantage of of a wide monitor to put the playbar up onto the top. So instead of having it over here with the control panel, it's sitting up here. And if you have a 2500 wide display, that can be just a way to take up that space and rearrange things a bit. So those are some of the different things you can do in 2008. Thanks.